In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to extend the length of a video in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you'll either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, the next thing you want to do is navigate over to the left-hand column of options and click on projects. When you do this, all of the current projects you're working on will be presented to you. So now you need to click on the video that you would like to extend and edit. So once you've clicked on the video, Canva's video editor will open in a new window. And what you want to do next is locate the timeline section and click on your video in the timeline. When you do that, a purple outline will appear around the video, and what you want to do is hover over the end of the video on the timeline, and you'll see two drag icons appear, and you simply want to click and drag your video clip to the right, and what you'll see is that it only extends up to a certain point. So there are two ways to circumvent this. So the first thing that you can do is click on the plus icon next to your video to add media or add a blank page. Once you do that, you'll have four options appear: uploads, stock videos, stock photos. You want to click on blank. And when you do that, the new blank page will be added, and you want to look to the very top of the editor, and you'll be presented with a floating toolbar. What you want to do is click on duration, and you can either use the slider or you can input your own specific value. So let's say 45 seconds. So now that is how long this new page, blank page that's been added, is going to be. So next, you pretty much just want to add that first video, your original video, into this blank page to loop it. So navigate back over to the left-hand column of options and click on videos. When you do that, look for your video, click on your video and drag it into the space. And now when we click on play, the video is just going to loop. And if you want to continue to extend that length, we cannot. So some of the blank pages, despite the duration that you input, will limit you at a certain point. Another thing that you can do is click on the video again on the timeline. And when you do that, you can click on speed in the top menu of options that appears. You can click on speed and you can change the playback speed, which will essentially slow the video down and make it longer in length. So now it's 23 seconds long instead of being only 20 seconds long. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you found yourself struggling at any point in the video, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below, or any questions that you may have. Thanks for watching this video.